Good guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? How do you identify if the flowers are female or male ones? Here we are. I'm here in my organic garden in the house, and I show you this is a really huge, look at that, really huge zucchini that I've been experimenting to it. I mean, I'm just only put really organic manure, not the synthetic one. And look at that, she's the biggest of all in my seeds that I planted it this year during the spring. It wasn't during the winter time. I keep it warm and boil. Look at her, very big. So anyhow, 2 months since she took up to the max in the ground, and look at him, guys. I'll show you what happened with the female and male flowers. Here we are. Wow, look at that humongous. They're really huge, giant plant. Look at that, it's really big. I'll show you the male flower look like, or the female look like. Show you first the female, right? Female first. There you go. The female, same thing with we familiar with zucchini or squash or pumpkin. You have these flowers on the top of them, like a crown, you know. While they're growing that, you're just growing it, and then later on, this one it got developed. Same thing here. I'll show you. Well, this real big leaves. It's in really big leaves. See? The bees are buzzing me around. This one here, it's a female. See the female because I just saw it. Because there is vegetables or zucchini right here together with this ground flowers. So now I show you what's the female look like flowers for zucchini. I'm showing you what will a male look like for the zucchini flowers. Same thing with pumpkin. Look at that, it's just full down itself. Just give them water every day. They have a time, so you can cook them too. Or you can put it in your bulang-lang if you're Filipino. Or you can put it simply in your food or fried or whatever. Put butter on them. Yeah, that's how the female look like. See that? Male, sorry. The male look like this. It's just long stalks and there is no zucchini at all, unlike this one here. See? We got zucchini. And so is this. Yeah, that's the female and this is the male. Same thing here, it's a male. You just keep long stalks and a thing on it. So if you want, you can remove. If you got too many male, you can remove. Oh, look at that, it's full down from it too. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in my vegetables too. So I cut it like this to remove the long stalk with all nutrients. The other one, it's a male too. So that's it. I got plenty of zucchini here. We really love zucchini, that's why we put it this year. You're still baby. There's another one here. I have to remove them, you know. Look at that, there are a lot of female everywhere. And also a lot of male. So what happened, guys? In the next episode of this video, I show you how to clean up this, and also what happened with the fruits or zucchini if the bees didn't go and working on it. So yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching, subscribe for more, have a great day. Cheers, kind of guys here, Emil from Australia. Bye guys.